Let's read the story. The Holly Tree Inn. Amidst the snowy landscape of a wintry Christmas Eve, a traveler arrives at a modest country inn named the Holly Tree Inn. As the traveler enters the inn, the warmth of the fire and the festive decorations provide a welcoming refuge from the biting cold outside. The innkeeper, a genial and hospitable man, greets the traveler and invites him to take a seat by the fire. The guest, looking weary and travel-worn, settles into the cozy chair, eager to find solace in the welcoming atmosphere of the inn. As the evening progresses, the innkeeper shares a tradition of the Holly Tree Inn. He explains that every Christmas Eve, the inn opens its doors to 7 poor travelers, a custom founded by the inn's previous owner, who believed in the spirit of generosity and goodwill during the holiday season. With a nod to the tradition, the innkeeper reveals that the 7 poor travelers will soon arrive and be provided with a hearty meal and a comfortable place to rest for the night. As the clock strikes 7, a knock at the door announces the arrival of the travelers. The group consists of 7 individuals, each with their own tale of hardship and misfortune. Among them are a peddler, an elderly woman, a jobless man, a sailor, a poor boy, a young girl, and a mother with her baby. The innkeeper welcomes them with open arms, inviting them to partake in the festive celebration prepared in their honor. The travelers are overjoyed at the warmth and kindness bestowed upon them, grateful for the unexpected respite from their struggles. The guests gather around a table adorned with a sumptuous Christmas feast, a bountiful spread of roast meats, pies, puddings, and fruits, accompanied by steaming mugs of mulled wine. The travelers, hungry and tired from their journeys, eagerly partake in the delicious meal, savoring each bite with gratitude. As the night progresses, the guests begin to share their stories, recounting their trials and tribulations. Each tale unfolds like a chapter of life's varied experiences, the challenges faced, the losses endured, and the resilience exhibited in the face of adversity. The peddler shares his struggles in the harsh streets of the city, the elderly woman speaks of her lonely existence, the jobless man narrates the difficulty of finding employment, the sailor recounts his adventures on the high seas, the poor boy and young girl express their dreams for a better future, and the mother with her baby reveals her determination to provide for her child despite dire circumstances. Moved by their stories, the innkeeper and the other guests listen intently, offering words of empathy and encouragement. The spirit of camaraderie and compassion fills the room as the travelers find solace in the company of each other, united by the shared experience of seeking warmth and shelter on a cold Christmas Eve. As the clock strikes midnight, signifying the arrival of Christmas Day, the travelers express their heartfelt gratitude to the innkeeper and bid each other good night. They retire to their comfortable beds, enveloped in the warmth of the inn's hospitality, and drift into a peaceful slumber, their hearts uplifted by the kindness they have received. In the morning, as the travelers prepare to resume their journeys, the innkeeper presents each of them with a small parcel containing provisions for the road ahead, a gesture of goodwill and a token of hope to aid them on their paths. With hearts full of gratitude, the travelers bid farewell to the Holly Tree Inn, carrying with them the cherished memories of a night filled with warmth, generosity, and the true spirit of Christmas. They depart, their spirits lifted and renewed, ready to face life's challenges with renewed vigor and hope. The end. Please subscribe to the Teddy Bear Storytime YouTube channel and select to receive all notification. Thank you.